solve the inequalities. Negative 3 is less than or equals to 4x plus 7, which is less than 11 now. To do such two parts inequalities, you got to do it separately. So we'll do this part first. So negative 3 less than or equals to 4x plus 7. And the other option also must be abided to. So 4x plus 7 less than 11. So what we do is we try and keep the x to one side, bring the numbers over. So 7, bring it over, becomes negative 3 minus 7. Retain the direction of your inequality. It's pointing towards 4x, point it towards 4x. You can still write it like this, pointing towards 4x. It's fine. Okay, as long as your direction is retained, it's okay. And negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. 4x more than or equals to negative 10. 4x, so x is more than or equals to negative 10 over 4. X is more than or equals to a negative 2 and 2 quarters. X is more than or equals to negative 2 and a half. Okay, so that's one side of the equation. And then the other side, 4x less than 11 minus 7. 4x less than 4. X is less than 4 over 4. X is less than 1. Alright, so x is less than 1. And x has to be more than or equals to negative 2.5. So a 0 is here. It's good to write your zeros first. 1 is here. Negative 2.5 is here. Okay, so x is more than or equals to a negative 2.5. Okay, so what we do is we have a shaded circle because there is an equal portion. So we have an arrow that goes this way. And then x is less than 1. Don't shade because it's not equals to. So your solutions will lie in this particular region over here. Okay, so this is our solution, which means that if we go back, x has to be less than 1, more than or equals to negative 2.5. Okay, final solution is as such. So when we present our answer on the number line for the final answer, we must follow this inequality. So what is the final solution? X is in between negative 2.5. It can include negative 2.5, but it cannot include 1. So this is a circle, put dotted line. Final answer for this particular question.